Hello. What exactly are you doing there, Joe?
Science!
What kind of science are you doing?
Sound!
Can you explain to me what it is you're doing?
Sound science.
Yes, but can you describe to me what you're doing? What do you have there?
I have tied 2 elastic bands together and stick them on the chair. You see, when you flip it, vibration makes sound.
Oh. Can you push down on it instead of pulling it? Yes. Oh, we could really see the vibrations there. Does it change when you move the chairs further apart and stretch it more?
I'm not sure. All it does.
Try moving them closer together. Okay, now do it. Sounds differently. Now move them a little bit more apart. What's changing?
The vibration.
Is it happening faster or slower?
Fast.
And the more we move them apart,
The slower it gets.
the faster it's getting.
The
More tension it's getting, right?
Yeah, but when you move them more closer, see what happens?
Yeah, it's really slow there. Flop, flop. And that's changing the pitch. It's getting louder, and it's getting higher and higher the further apart we move it, and lower the closer they're together. Now what happens if you just touch it a little bit? It's quieter. What happens if you pull hard?
Sound.
It's louder. So what are you making, Joe?
Sound.
And sound is made by?
Vibration.
And you're using the elastic band to create vibrations.